A week ago, John Woo released a beta update for Magisk. This brought the tool up to version 26.2, and there were a number of important changes included with it. I won't go over that list today, but I will link to the video that I did down in the description below for those who want to catch up. These Magisk beta releases tend to go by without needing additional changes, but this time was a bit different. It seems the community was able to find some bugs with version 26.2 of Magisk, which required John and the team to release a new version. A couple of days ago, version 26.3 of Magisk was made public, and it wasn't pushed to the beta channel either. It seems the update was tested enough that this new version is now the latest stable release. So for those of you who didn't want to update to a beta version, you can now get the latest changes while keeping things stable. This release only has a few changes since most of the work went into the last update, but this new version does iron out some of the bugs that were found. With version 26.3, we can see that there was a fix implemented for the device detection information script. This release also includes an update to the BusyBox tool Magisk uses that bring its version up to 1.36.1. This also includes an update to the toolchain that produced broken ARM32 executables. And lastly, this update includes a fix to the app that broke the root service on select OnePlus devices. So again, there aren't many changes included in this update. However, if you skipped the last beta, then there are more things happening, and you'll want to check my previous Magisk update video to get an idea on those other things. We can update Magisk by first opening up the application and letting the app automatically check to see if there is an update waiting. So if you are on a previous version, then you will get an update prompt next to the application card here. So let's update that first. After the update has been downloaded, the Magisk application will close, and we will be prompted to open up Magisk again. Now with the updated app open, you will see that there is now an update button next to the top card here. This is for the actual super user binaries. So let's tap this button, and we're going to be choosing the direct install method. Once that is selected, we're going to tap on Let's Go. And you're going to see all of the work that the Magisk application has to do in order to install the newest version on our device. The smartphone or tablet needs to be rebooted after Magisk has been updated to version 26.3 so that the changes actually take effect. Once the device boots back up, let's go into the Magisk application again to make sure that everything was updated properly. You will see version 26.3 in both the app card as well as the top binary card here. If you see 26.3 there, then everything has been updated properly.